Alright, so I just prefer the overkill approach. There's nothing worse than welding something and then having it fail. So I went back through and ran a longer bead instead of like some tacks on this. So should be a lot better. I'm going to clean it off real quick. Figure out what I do with my wire brush. And if you're really good at this and you do it with TIG, you can make it look really nice. But I don't really feel like taking this thing, getting all the crap set up, and I'm not super good at TIG welding. But with TIG, you can probably make it look a little bit better. But, well, I mean, nobody's going to see this when you're going down the road. So, and if you really want to, you can grind it and polish it and paint it clear so that it won't rust. And I don't think anybody will ever know. So, more they're going to see that than anything. Anyway, thanks for watching.